CYTK team. I'm very excited to bring you a brief update on CYTK's latest release. These updates are a direct reflection of your feedback, and I know these updates will have a positive impact on your experience with the CYTK app. So what's new with CYTK's Smart Search? So number one, we have a keyword search, which is as easy as typing in a component name and selecting what area you're looking for. Two, we've expanded the breadth and depth of content within existing categories of procedures, parts and labor, specs, and figures to open up more mainline repairs. And we're really excited to announce that we're adding wiring diagrams and technical service bulletins. Also, in the lower tray, you'll see our new menu. In the lower left, we have vehicle information. The second item is history, which is your chronological list of interactions with CYTK. The third item there is our quick view, where we've added 5 quick summaries. And then in the lower right, that's how you access our voice application. We've moved it to beta as we continue to improve our AI to better recognize and link directly to content. So let's walk through a trial or a demo of the new component search. Let's say we're looking for a front engine cover gasket replacement procedure. So I'm going to select procedure. I'm going to type in engine, gasket, perform the search. And there it is, the second item. So I select that. And it takes me directly to the content. So here we have the OEM step-by-step instructions unique to CYTK. We also include up to 10 different YouTube videos. In addition to the OEM content, we also include the OEM figures. So let's say you want an estimate for that repair now. So very easily, I can just come back, bounce over to parts and labor, do a search. There's the front engine cover gasket replacement, and there you have the labor time, OE part numbers, and pricing. So now let's move down and let's do a search on wiring diagrams. So I'm going to go to wiring diagrams. I'm going to search on engine. And I'm looking for some engine speed control information. There it is. And as easy as that, you have the wiring diagram. And to help read, all you need to do is tap, pinch and zoom, and very easily readable. Now let's move over to technical service bulletins. Let's suggest that maybe I have some diagnostics done and I have a P code. I've got P0234 that's coming out. Do a search on that and see if there's any information. Sure enough, there's a bulletin. And again, there it is. Tap, pinch and zoom, and all the information at your fingertips on a mobile phone. So, thanks for taking a few minutes to learn what's new. We're really excited that it's really going to have a positive impact on your experience. So again, thanks for taking the time to get access to this. Just go to the Android or iOS Play Store and download the latest updates. Give it a test drive and give us your feedback.